If you've ever made cocktails at home and ended up with a leaky shaker and a sticky counter, this one's for you. We're breaking down 5 Cobbler shakers with real specs and honest flaws. Links below. Subscribe if you're new. Here are the 5 Cobbler shakers we're covering today: the 24-ounce cocktail shaker bar set by WPHUAW, the Mixology Bartender kit with stand, the Zbufa 6-piece cocktail shaker set, the Quintessenza cocktail shaker set Bartender kit with stand, and the Quintessenza 24-ounce drink shaker. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5 is the 24-ounce cocktail shaker bar set by WPHUAW. This is a 24-ounce, 3-piece cobbler shaker made from food-grade 304 stainless steel with a mirror-polished finish that resists fingerprints. No coating, just pure stainless, which is ideal because it won't retain flavors or odors from previous drinks. It comes with a built-in strainer, jigger, and measuring spoon. It's compatible with all standard cocktail recipes and works great for home use. It's not dishwasher safe, but hand washing with warm soapy water keeps it looking new. 2 advantages: the 24-ounce capacity lets you make 2 drinks at once, making it perfect for hosting guests, and the tight seal lid prevents leaks so you can shake with confidence. The honest drawback is the cap can get stuck if you don't lubricate the threads with a little citrus oil before use. This is best for beginners who want a simple, affordable entry into home bartending without overcomplicating things. Now number 4 is a completely different beast. The Mixology Bartender kit with stand. This is a 15-piece complete bar set that includes a 24-ounce stainless steel shaker, jigger, muddler, strainer, stirring spoon, ice tongs, and a stand for organized storage. The shaker is made from 304 stainless steel with a brushed finish that hides scratches well, and the stand adds a professional touch to your home bar. It works for all cocktail types and comes with a recipe book for beginners. 2 standout features: the 15-piece set means you have every tool you need in one box, so no hunting for missing pieces, and the included stand keeps everything organized and accessible on your counter. The drawback is some pieces feel lighter and less durable than premium brands, especially the muddler and jigger. This is best for home bartenders who want a complete starter kit with professional presentation and organized storage. Wait until you see what number 3 brings: the Zbufa 6-piece cocktail shaker set. This is a 24-ounce cobbler shaker set that includes the shaker, a strainer, muddler, 2-sided jigger, and 2 pour spouts. The construction uses 304 stainless steel with a durable brushed finish that hides scratches well, plus a silicone seal on the lid for extra leak protection. It's perfect for all drink types, and the pour spouts let you control liquor flow precisely when making layered cocktails. 2 things that make this stand out: the silicone seal creates a leak-proof seal that actually works in practice, preventing sticky messes on your hands and counter, and the weighted muddler is thicker than most budget options, making it easy to crush herbs and fruit without breaking. The honest downside is the jigger measurements are only marked on one side, so you have to flip it for smaller pours, which can be annoying during busy mixing sessions. This is best for people who want a reliable set with leak-proof performance and don't mind simple jigger markings. Stay with me because number 2 adds something most people overlook: the Quintessenza cocktail shaker set Bartender kit with stand. This is a 12-piece set that includes a 24-ounce cobbler shaker, jigger, muddler, strainer, stirring spoon, pour spouts, and a sturdy stand. The shaker is 304 stainless steel with a premium mirror finish that resists corrosion and looks like a high-end bar tool. It also includes a silicone seal for leak-proof shaking and a recipe booklet to get you started. The first advantage is the stand is made from solid steel, not plastic, so it stays stable even when fully loaded with tools and doesn't tip over. Second, the jigger has both ounce and milliliter markings on both sides, making it versatile for international recipes and different measurement preferences. The drawback is the mirror finish shows every fingerprint, so you'll need to wipe it down after each use to keep it looking pristine. This is best for home entertainers who want a full kit with a sturdy stand and don't mind a little extra cleaning. Now for number 1, and I'll be straight with you, this one edges out the competition on one key feature that makes it the most practical choice for most people. The Quintessenza 24-ounce drink shaker takes the top spot. This is a 24-ounce cobbler shaker made from food-grade 304 stainless steel with a brushed finish that's fingerprint-resistant and low maintenance. It features a built-in strainer with precision holes that filter ice and pulp perfectly, a tight-seal silicone-lined cap that never leaks, and a recipe guide for classic cocktails. Here's what puts this at number 1. First, the weighted cap design actually helps with a smooth pour, eliminating drips that most cobbler shakers struggle with. Second, the inside is completely seamless, which means no crevices for bacteria or old flavors to hide, and cleanup is a breeze. Third, the measurement lines are engraved inside the shaker, so you can pour directly without needing a separate jigger, a huge time saver when making multiple rounds. The honest downside is the silicone seal needs occasional replacement after heavy use, but replacements are easy to find online. This is best for anyone who wants a simple, reliable, no-fuss cobbler shaker that works every single time without leaks, drips, or frustration. All links are in the description below. If this helped you out, drop a comment and let me know which one you're leaning toward. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more honest kitchen reviews every week. See you next time.